Welcome to Raft Consensus Algorithm. Raft is a distributed consensus algorithm designed to manage replicated state machines across multiple servers. It ensures that all servers agree on the same sequence of commands, even when some servers fail. Raft is known for being more understandable than Paxos while maintaining the same fault tolerance guarantees. This presentation will walk you through how Raft works, from its basic concepts to advanced implementation details. Consensus is the process of getting multiple independent servers to agree on a single value or decision. In distributed systems, servers communicate over a network that may be unreliable. Some servers might crash, messages might be delayed or lost, and network partitions can occur. Consensus algorithms ensure that despite these failures, all non-faulty servers eventually agree on the same state. This is fundamental for building reliable distributed systems like databases, key-value stores, and distributed coordination services. Raft divides time into terms, which are numbered logical time periods. Each term begins with a leader election. A server can be in one of three states: follower, candidate, or leader. Followers passively receive entries from the leader. Candidates compete in elections to become the leader. The leader replicates entries to all followers. The log is an ordered sequence of commands that each server maintains. An entry is considered committed once it has been replicated to a majority of servers, and the leader has acknowledged it. Leader election in Raft starts when a follower's election timeout expires without hearing from a leader. The follower becomes a candidate and requests votes from other servers. A server votes for a candidate if the candidate's log is at least as up-to-date as the voter's log. A candidate wins the election if it receives votes from a majority of servers. The winner becomes the leader for that term and starts sending heartbeat messages to all followers. If an election timeout occurs without a winner, a new election starts with a higher term number. Once a leader is elected, it accepts client requests and appends entries to its log. The leader sends these entries to all followers using append entries remote procedure calls. Followers receive entries and append them to their own logs. Once an entry is replicated to a majority of servers, the leader commits the entry and notifies followers. Committed entries are then applied to the state machine. If a follower's log is out of sync with the leader uses previous log information to help the follower catch up. Raft provides several important safety guarantees. Election safety ensures that at most one leader can be elected per term. Leader append only ensures that a leader never overwrites or deletes entries in its log. State machine safety ensures that if an entry has been applied to a state machine on one server, no other server will apply a different command at that same index. Log matching property ensures that if two logs contain an entry with the same index and term, then the logs are identical up to that index. Raft handles two types of server failures: follower crashes and leader crashes. When a follower crashes, it stops receiving heartbeats from the leader, and the leader detects this failure. The leader continues operating and retries sending entries to the failed follower. When the follower recovers, it resynchronizes with the leader. When a leader crashes, followers notice the absence of heartbeats and start a new election. The system elects a new leader and continues making progress. Clients must retry requests if they fail due to leader crashes. To ensure safety across crashes, servers must persistently store certain information on disk. The current term must be saved so that servers can detect stale leaders after a restart. The voted for field must be saved to prevent voting for multiple candidates in the same term. The log entries must be persisted so that committed entries survive crashes and are not lost. These persistent state updates occur whenever these values change. When a server restarts, it reads these values from disk and resumes operation with the correct state. Monitoring a Raft cluster in production requires tracking several key metrics. Monitor liveness to ensure leaders are actively sending heartbeats. Track leadership changes to detect excessive elections. Measure replication lag to understand how far behind followers are. Event logs should record election events, append entries remote procedure calls, and commit events. Use distributed trace context to correlate events across multiple nodes for end-to-end visibility. Structured logging makes debugging easier and enables automated alerting on anomalies. Raft performance depends on several factors. The leader's throughput is limited by its ability to replicate entries to all followers in parallel. Replication lag under high write rate depends on network bandwidth and follower processing speed. Network latency directly impacts election timeout tuning. Network partitions can cause cascading failures if not handled properly. For large clusters, consider sharding the data across multiple Raft groups rather than putting all data in a single group. Define clear latency budgets and service-level agreements for your system. Raft enforces critical safety and liveness properties. Safety guarantees ensure that at most one leader is elected per term and committed entries are durable and never lost. Liveness guarantees ensure that eventually a new leader will be elected if the current leader fails. Quorum-based decisions ensure that progress can be made despite failures. Key invariants are precisely logged in the algorithm specification. Failure handling relies on election timeouts to detect failures and trigger elections. Recovery mechanisms like log catch up via append entries, remote procedure calls enable crashed nodes to rejoin the cluster.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.